This is actually a very range bound or narrow range stock, and I'm expecting a breakout in this stock. Hi, friends. This is Atul from Pratham Investment Managers, and we are looking at Nectar Life Sciences chart. This is a monthly chart, and you can see that this chart is actually a very narrow range stock. Let's me okay. Let's mark few supports and resistances or the ranges of the stock. This is first, then this will be the second line. Okay, most of the times the stock is consolidating or trading between 10 rupees to 42 approximately. And in 2015, the stock tried to break out, went up to 60 rupees, and then started correcting again back to the regular lows of 10 rupees. But due to the COVID pandemic, the fall in March 2020 took the stock towards 7 rupees, and then it started reversing again. So this is basically the reversal was fast because basically the stock is from healthcare and pharma sector, and as we all know that this sector is doing very good in current times. Now, in this monthly chart, when the stock was performing very fast, actually there was a strong resistance in between, and this resistance was around 25 rupees, somewhere here. And the stock has actually taken resistance or support multiple times at the same level since last 14 plus years, 14 15 years. So this time also the stock reacted to the same level and consolidated around the level for few days, for few months actually. While consolidating in this level, the stock uh, formed a bullish pattern, which is normally called bullish flag and pole pattern. And this flag and pole pattern successfully gave breakout after a few months, and then the breakout target was also completed. The breakout for the flag and pole formation was approximately of 18 rupees, and I can draw the pole so that those who are new to charting can understand the terminology. This is a kind of pole structure, and you can see the lows of 7 and the high of around 25. So it is around 18 rupees height of the pole. The same height is replicated above the breakout level. So the breakout level of 25 plus 18, it becomes 43, and the stock touched 45 levels and then started reversing again. Now the stock has actually corrected towards the breakout level, and it is trying to retest the breakout levels of 25. Now we will shift towards some lower time frame chart to understand it in a better way. This is a weekly chart. You can look at the chart and understand the flag structure, then the fall, and the current candle, which is showing a sign of reversal. Actually, a kind of good reversal pattern. So basically, if we look at the chart and if we look at the correction from 2015, the chart has actually corrected in a big way, and we can see that the line, which is a falling trend line, has registered every time the stock tried to move or try to move break out. In 2020 also, when the stock tried to break out, it resisted the stock price, and then the consolidation happened, which resulted in flag formation. And finally, after a lot of efforts, the stock was able to break out. So this breakout is completed. Flag pattern is done. So I am removing the flag pattern. Now, if you look at this current area, it is a kind of bullish cup and handle pattern, and the pattern is also completed. The breakout is done, and now the retesting is also Done. So let me show you the pattern. This will be the cup. This is actually the cup, and then we can see a handle. This is a cup and handle formation. The neckline is placed around 30 rupees. So 30 to approximately 10-20 rupees is the depth of cup, and above 30, 20 rupees, which is a breakout target. 30 plus 20 comes around 50. Approximately the target is also completed for cup and handle formation. Now the breakout retesting of the falling trend line and all the flag and cup and handle is completed. So what will be the next scenario in this stock? At this point, if we shift towards the daily time frame, we can see that the stock completed the retesting of all the formats, and it's showing a sign of strong reversal with a long leg doji type of candle, and the current candle, which is trading with a gap up, it shows that bulls are very strongly active, and bulls have entered into the stock, and they are trying to push the price on higher levels. Now at present the stock is trading around 31.70, and the breakout level is approximately around 25. So normally, if we go long in this stock, then our stop loss will be below the breakout level, which will be around 24 levels. And for targets, we may consider our targets around somewhere 44, 45 levels, which are the recent highs. And if the stock completes the 44, 45 rupees and trades above 45 for some time, then we may expect the stock to move towards 60 plus rupees. So this will be a mm, good stock for a result of, or for a return of 100% approximately, and the stop loss will be around 20%. So overall, the risk reward ratio will be 1 is to 5. And for investment purpose or a trading purpose stock, 1 is to 5 risk reward is a best scenario for any stock. So I prefer that I will go long in this stock. The volumes in breakout are also too good. The corrective volumes, you can see, they are very small. So it is a kind of pullback, or kind of a resting period for the bulls, you can say, and they may continue towards 60 rupees very soon. So the risk reward is comparatively good, and you can go long with the given levels by around 31, 30 levels. Stop loss will be below 24, closing below 24. Targets approximately 45, 44, 45 to 60 rupees. And better don't take leverage positions, take limited positions. Approximately 4 to 5% of your portfolio can be allocated for this stock, as the risk is less. You can go with 4 5%, but the stock is a kind of small cap stock, so better avoid larger positions and trade very carefully. So this is all about Nectar Life Sciences. I hope you like the chart, you like the analysis, and you might be planning to enter the stock. Just don't jump in when the stock price is trading higher. Wait for some pullbacks, wait for some downward moves, and then enter around the support levels. Follow the stop losses and follow risk management. That's it. If you like this video, then please do like it and share video with all your trading colleagues and friends